Welcome to Decentralized Web3 Apps. In today's video, I bring to you a Web3 app which makes you passive income for free. But first, if this is your first time, consider subscribing for future uploads. Without further ado, let's dive right into the content. Sweetcoin is a revolutionary move to earn project that does not only let you earn from walking, running, or jogging but also from doing indoor workout activities. With advanced AR technology implement, this app will be able to read your movement, calculate, and turn it into a sweet tokens. Sweetcoin is a new breed of step counter and activity tracker that converts your steps into a currency which you can spend on gadgets, sports and fitness kit, services and experiences. This is an achievement tracker for a new generation. Spend Sweetcoins earned on goods, services and experiences with partner brands in the marketplace. Or, if you're feeling generous, you can exchange them with your friends and family, and even donate to amazing causes through Sweetcoin for good. The fitter and healthier you become, the wealthier you get. Movement has value. You'll earn Sweetcoins, whether you exercise at home or outside. Activity Tracker will let you keep track of your progress, counting steps and monitoring your exercising activity. Download Sweetcoin app so you can redeem offers for free, thanks to Marketplace, filled with exclusive discounts and products. Whether you want to get in shape, lose weight or keep track of your fitness level, Sweetcoin is the perfect app to stay healthy. You can use Sweetcoin on your smartphone, Android or iPhone, and in your smartwatch, currently on Apple Watch. Stay tuned for Android Wear. You just need to take one step to begin. This app runs in the background, wasting no battery, to count your steps as a distance tracker and pacer. Get exclusive offers for free, prizes and discounts that you will not find anywhere else. Donate to help cause that matters all by simply walking. Use your coins to help different charity projects. Sweetcoin give these organizations fiat currency, dollars, pounds and euros, once you've donated your coins to the cause. Its use is algorithm to count your steps. That means that, unlike other apps, we don't track your location. Sweetcoin don't have to share any information with a third party. Your data is only yours and will always be. The app regularly makes earning more effective and fun for you. Please get the latest version with the link down the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found value on this content. Thank you for walking with Sweetcoin. The future of getting healthy and earning money. It pays to walk.